everybody, now before we start our lesson, it is better for us to pray first based on our beliefness. We hope our health get easier and also what we learn will be useful in our future. Ya, mari kita sama-sama berdoa. Mudah-mudahan kita semua diberikan kesehatan, diberikan kemudahan. Apa yang kita pelajari dapat bermanfaat buat masa depan kita semua. Oke, persiapan. Oke, berdoa, sweat, Chen, mulai. Let's pray. Amin. Ya, jadi present continuous adalah suatu kalimat yang menjelaskan suatu kejadian yang sedang terjadi saat ini. Nah, itu namanya present continuous. Aku ulangi lagi. Present continuous adalah kalimat yang menjelaskan suatu kejadian yang sedang terjadi saat ini atau sekarang. Nah, itu dulu poinnya, gitu dipahami. Oke, untuk Lajeti barusan udah paham belum tentang present continuous? Artinya tadi?
Iya, siap.
Udah, oke. Kalau udah paham, sekarang kita ke rumus. Jadi, kenapa kita mereview rumus? Karena nanti pada saat kita di bandara akan ada pertanyaan. Contoh ada orang asing, "Halo brother Lajeti, what are you doing now?" Nah, ditanya gitu. Kalau kita udah paham tentang konsep rumus, tenses, kita jawab lagi, "I am working now." Saya sedang bekerja sekarang. Kayak gitu kan? Ya. Ya, kenapa kita mereview tenses? Fungsinya nanti kita buat komunikasi. Kalau ada pertanyaan, kita bisa jawab. Kalau ada orang, kita bisa bertanya, gitu. Terus lagi kalau ada orang asing, "Excuse me, Mister, what are you doing now?" Kita balikin lagi sama beliau. "Where are you going now?" Sedang pergi kemana Tuan? Gitu. Kenapa? Karena kita tahu rumus. Oke, tadi present continuous sudah tahu ya. Selanjutnya untuk positif, present continuous, subject ditambah to be, ditambah verb ing, ditambah objek, ditambah adverb of time. Oke, aku ulangi lagi ya, Lajeti ya. Subject ditambah to be, ditambah verb ing atau VING. Kata Miss Grace ya, VING ya, beliau pakainya VING ya. Ditambah objek, ditambah adverb of time. Oke, subjek udah tahu belum? Brother Lajeti, subjek apa aja? Masih inget gak?
Yang apa itu, Pak?
Subjek masih inget gak? Nah, subjek itu I, you, they, he, she, it. Nah, itu namanya disebut dengan subjek. Ya, aku ulangi lagi. Subjek apa tadi, Brother Lajeti? I, terus?
You,
Ya. They,
he,
we, he, it. Nah, seperti itu. Ya, jadi kita ibarat suatu bangunan, kita harus tahu dulu nih fondasi dasarnya, ya kan? Kita harus tahu dulu nih subjeknya apa, ya kan kayak gitu. Kalau dia laki-laki apa? He. Dia perempuan apa? She. Dia benda apa? It. Nah, kayak gitu. Tuh. Ya, bisa dipahami?
Bisa, Pak.
Oke, sip. Oke, hari ini Josh datang nggak, Josh?
Belum ada orangnya, Pak.
Belum ada orangnya. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Oke, Ishanur, ada Ishanur? Isha?
Ada, Pak, ada.
Ya, Isha gimana? Penjelasan saya sudah bisa dipahami? Boleh dibuka dulu maskernya, Isha? Tentang present continuous? Ya, Brother Isa, tadi apa itu present continuous, apa itu subjek. Oke, gimana? Dari penjelasan tadi sudah bisa dipahami atau ada pertanyaan? Ya, Brother Isa gimana?
Yang saya belum pahami itu Pak, materi kelima Pak.
Oh, materi 5 mengenai
Simple reading about.
Oh, simple reading about. Berarti Dita is going to Europe ya?
Iya Pak.
Ya, jadi gini. Pertama, brother, dengerin video. Ya kan? Dari dengerin video itu, dengerin cara pengucapan di reading tersebut. Ya kan? Setelah dengerin pengucapan, brother catat di buku cara kalimat-kalimat tersebut. Nah, setelah udah dicatat, dengerin lagi pengucapannya, minimal ada yang 5 kali. Nah, sudah paham, brother, ikutin cara ngucapinnya. Contoh, Dita is going to Europe. Nah, berarti tulisannya Eropa, tapi bacanya Europe, begitu. Jadi harus diikutin cara pengucapannya. Gitu. Kemarin gimana? Yang belum paham gimananya?
Tinggal tanya jawab Pak kemarin.
Oh, tanya jawab. Tetapi sekarang udah paham, barusan dijelasin.
Insya Allah Pak.
Oke, sip. Terus yang bingungnya di mananya?
Itu Pak yang ada kata is, yang
sedang. Itu review tenses.
Iya Pak.
Nah, kalau Brother Isa review tenses, berarti balik lagi ke rumus. Rumusnya masih paham belum? Contoh, Dita is going to Europe. Dita subjek, ya kan? Is-nya to be. Going to-nya itu verb ing. Itu kan? Ya kan? Terus Europe-nya sebagai apa? Adverb of place. Iya, keterangan tempat. Gitu. Jadi untuk review tenses, di review apa yang udah kita pahami aja, apa yang udah kita ketahui tentang tenses tersebut, gitu. Gitu Isar. Ada lagi Isar?
Itu sih Pak.
Ya, jadi untuk Alauddin jangan sungkan-sungkan ya, tanya-tanya ya. Oke, thank you. Ya, tadi lanjut ke Lajeti ya. Lajeti tadi ingat ya, subjek, to be, ya kan, verb ing atau VING ya. Miss Grace bilang VING sama, ditambah objek ditambah adverb of time. Kalau untuk Lajeti ya, Lajeti to be apa aja tadi? To be present itu ada is, ada am, ada are. Nah, kayak gitu. Nah, nanti dari to be present itu kita gabungkan dengan subjek. Contoh, I pasangannya am. You pasangannya dengan are. You are, I am, he is. Nah, ini kita harus tahu pasangan-pasangannya. They are, we are. Nah, gitu. Jadi subjek sama to be pasangannya kita harus tahu. Nah, setelah itu ada VING atau verb ing. Contoh, go, going, study, studying. Nah, kayak gitu. Gitu. Work, working. Nah, objek ini mengikuti dari verb ing tersebut. Contoh, studying English, going to the market. Nah, kayak gitu. Objek itu ngikutin. Seperti itu Lajeti. Halo Lajeti. Ya, coba Lajeti pindah tempat lagi. Silakan.
Ya, halo Ustaz.
Ya, itu kan artinya udah paham tadi present continuous, susunannya subjek tadi udah paham belum?
Subjek.
Ya, terus to be present-nya udah paham belum?
Yang mana, Pak?
To be present.
To be.
Ya, tulisannya to be. To be
Is.
present itu ada 3, ada is,
Am.
terus
Are.
satu lagi are. Nah, iya kayak gitu. Jadi disatukan subjeknya mana, to be-nya mana. Ya.
Present continuous is a sentence that explain the moment happening now. Rumus untuk kalimat positif, subjek ditambah to be, ditambah verb ing, ditambah object, tambah adverb of time. Example, untuk contoh kalimat positif, we are learning English now. Rumus untuk kalimat negatif, subjek ditambah to be, ditambah not, ditambah verb ing, tambah object, tambah adverb of time. Contohnya kalimat negatif yaitu she is not reading a letter now. Rumus untuk kalimat tanya, to be ditambah subjek, ditambah verb ing, ditambah object, ditambah adverb of time. Contohnya, are they listening to the music right now? Sudah, sir.
Yang WH question belum?
Oh, sudah, sir.
Itu baru to be doang di depan. Kalau WH question ada when, ada why, ada how gitu.
Itu rumusnya WH question ditambah to be, ditambah subjek, ditambah verb ing, ditambah object, ditambah adverb of time. Gitu, sir.
Ya. Contohnya?
Contohnya. Ada, sir.
A more than threefold increase IATA predicts that Indonesia will become the world's sixth largest aviation travel market in the next few years. Approach the end of this year, where there were quite encouraging developments is developed for flight train in Indonesia, especially on domestic roads, which had moved up to 70 to 80% of normal activities before the pandemic. Meanwhile, international flight routes have not seen an increase to normal because there are still many countries that have imposed a lockdown for the safety of their citizens. The departure on arrival procedures at the airport still require provision such as PCR, antigens, and vaccination. Sudah, Chef.
Ya, Miss Jaru, please, your question to Miss Putri Kiki.
Okay, thanks for the time given to me. From your state that the flight in our country have development. So I will ask you, in your opinion, what is the positive impact from increasing flight in our country?
Okay, the positive impact of current flight development is with the health protocol implemented in the aviation world, it is now making a recovery in the aviation business that several pilots, planes, and technicians who were unemployed several years ago on the pandemic are now prepared to be reactivated.
Wow, good. Okay, good. Okay, Miss Maria Goretti, do you have a question?
Yes, sir. Will PCR test can guarantee our safety when traveling?
Yes, because PCR test not only guarantees our safety, but also one of the procedures that must be obeyed in the aviation world.
Oke, keren. The question and answer is good ya. Wow, thank you. This is the practice for us ya. Ya. Ya, silakan Brother Farhan from Alauddin, please.
In this section, I would to lecture about how to express in this moment. In English, there are four kind. There are four kind in English expression about this time action. The first is to express in the positive sentence or statement. For example, we are studying English now. She is writing a letter now. He is grouping a card now. The second is negative sentence. For example, he is not coming to the field now. She is not making a cake today. The third is about how make a question to the other person about this time. For example, are you speaking English now? Are you writing a letter now? Are you running to the school today? Sorry Pak, are you running to the school now? The fourth is how make question using WH question. For example, like why, what, where, which, and how. Example, what are you doing now? Where are you going now? Who is speaking English now? Thank you, sir.
Ya, oke Farhan, I want to ask you Farhan. Farhan, what are you doing now? Oke, what are you doing now? Iya, artinya apa yang sedang kamu lakukan sekarang?
Oh, artinya begitu Pak atau
Ya,
langsung?
artinya begitu. Artinya what are you doing-nya apa yang sedang kamu lakukan sekarang?
I am studying English now.
Oke, good. Yes. Oke. Ya. Oke. Is Miss Hawaii watching TV now?
Apakah
Is Miss iya, apakah
apakah Huawei sedang nonton TV sekarang?
Yes. Jawabannya apa?
Yes.
Yes, yes she is.
Yes, she is.
Oh, berarti Miss Hawaii lagi nonton TV sekarang. Tapi nggak apa-apa. Jadi no, she is not. Iya, nggak apa-apa.
She is not watching TV.
No, she is not. Jadi kalau ada pertanyaan interrogatif, ada dua jawaban, yes atau no, gitu doang. Kalau ya, yes she is. Kalau no, she is not, gitu.
Yes, sir.
Nah, sekarang Brother Farhan aku mau nanya lagi. Brother Farhan, are you listening to music now?
Apakah kamu sedang mendengarkan musik sekarang?
Iya.
No, I'm not.
Nah, gitu. Yeah. Oke. Where are you studying English now?
Maaf, sir, bisa diulang?
Ya. Where are you studying English now?
Where
are you studying English now?
Mana kamu belajar bahasa Inggris sekarang?
Ya, di mana kamu sedang belajar bahasa Inggris sekarang? Jawabannya?
I'm studying English in Tadikapuri.
Yes. Oke, keren. Ya.
memimpin, lens, mempelajari, live, meninggalkan, lie, let, berbohong, lose, loss, hilang, make, met, membuat, men, berarti, meet, met, bertemu, pay, pet, membayar, put, meletakkan, read, membaca, write, reading, mengendarai, ring, rang, membunyikan, rise, reason, terbit, run, berlari, say, said, berkata, see, seen, melihat, sing, sang, bernyanyi, sell, sold, menjual, send, mengirim, show it, mempertunjukkan, sat, menutup, sit, set, duduk, sleep, tidur, speak, spoken, berbicara. Sudah, Pak.
Oke. Tadi memimpin apa?
Memimpin, lead.
Ya. Siap bikin kalimat langsung atau ditulis dulu?
Tulis dulu, Pak.
Ya, tulis dulu. Ya, buat kalimat positif ya.
Ya, Pak.
This meeting is being recorded.
Ya, Rinto ada lagi any question? Ada lagi Rinto? Nggak ada. Oke ya. Oke, for Alauddin, Pontianak, and Kupang, thank you very much for this time who have coming. I hope that from this time your skill will be developed ya. Saya berharap dari hari ini nanti berkembang terus keterampilannya. Oke, I think is enough for this time ya. We will continue for next time.